My video tutorial is about removing the new adware type application, which is called DominantDisplay. This adware is specifically attacking Mac computers right now. DominantDisplay adware, once installed, starts to display the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you actually visit. DominantDisplay adware specifically attack Mac computers and Mac-related browsers. Safari is the main target of this adware. This adware DominantDisplay may essentially slow down the general performance of your Mac computer. If you have found its presence on your computer, on your Mac computer, you need to immediately get rid of it. So go to your Finder, check your applications. If you locate this DominantDisplay on the list, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you find anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it too. We also recommend that you research your system with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats which could remain on your device. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start investigating the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.